Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business. I don't know what I was doing with this. Grow their business and sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. See, I'm using the physical voice acting here. Anyways, welcome to the show. It's February 1st. We are in February because, February is going to fly by. All right, and then we're going to be in March, and then it's going to be coming to the end of the first quarter, and it's just crazy. So I hope you're having a wonderful beginning to the year, and the weather hasn't been treating you bad. I'm in Virginia, and not the weather's been, bland. So in some senses that's nice. Some senses I miss the snow. I know people probably with snow would be like, trust me, we'll give you some, but when you don't get a lot, you miss it. So anyways, I'm excited about the topic today. I'm gonna show you how to make a scary laugh, a scary laugh with your voice, which I'm excited. I love doing. It probably just because I'm silly and stupid, but I really enjoy it, and I really believe that my laugh has got a lot of work for me, has booked a lot of work, because we're often asked to make scary voiceovers, right? And I did a video on how to make a scary voiceover, and it's probably one of the most successful videos I've had on the YouTube channel. I'll make sure I link to that one, but I want to go a little bit more into the laugh, because I think the laugh aspect of a scary voice really brings the whole thing to life. And if you can do a real good scary laugh, you'll book all kinds of work. So I want to kind of talk to you about that today and show you a couple things that I do. It takes practice, there's no doubt about it, but I'll show you, and hopefully it'll help. So anyways, real quick before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We're about to hit 10,100 subscribers, so really excited about that. And thank you guys so much again for being a part of this incredible journey that we're all on. And also just note that we have a link below for A VO's Journey Elite Academy and all the wonderful things going on there. We've got 50% off the first month, so I'd love for you to give it a shot, check it out, see if you'd like to be with us. We're big about helping you start and grow your voiceover business, but bringing a personal touch to the coaching, and making sure that you actually work with live people, as well as trying to do more one-on-one stuff. So we're really excited about that. Check us out and the link below for that. All right, let's go ahead and dive into this topic today, how to do a scary laugh. And first and foremost, if you've ever listened to scary laughs, one thing that I feel always stands out with the scary laughs is that there is a lot of pitch variation, right? There's pitch variation in scary laughs, okay? Meaning that it's either a high pitch to low pitch to high pitch, back to low pitch, or low pitch, high pitch, high pitch. Like there's usually 2 to 3 parts to it, okay? Like it goes high pitch to low pitch to high pitch, or, high pitch to semi-high pitch to low pitch, back to high pitch, or high pitch to low pitch, back to high pitch, back to low pitch, right? There's a lot of pitch variation. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have pitch variation in your laugh. Another thing is that the speed in which the laugh happens, all right, that rhythm matters realistically. Okay, to make it sound like there's a confident laugh there. So, for example, if we were to laugh, in an evil type of sense, all right, I speed up the intervals of the laughs. So, for example, if I do something like, do you notice? So I do a, it's very, like I'm actually hitting almost notes, but I'm doing it quickly, all right? So it sounds... it's a laugh, right? It sounds together, combined, it makes it fast over a period, but through pitch variation and through those staccato, it kind of sounds funny, right? But if you think about it, or what am I doing? I'm actually just taking my diaphragm and I'm hitting like staccato notes. Right? Do you hear that? So it's just punching it. And when you speed that up, like I start to It's fun, right? Or you do. Ooh. So what you'll notice, I just love to. So I kind of laugh like that, anyways, right? And that's where figuring out your laugh and being able to break it down, like I kind of showed you, like that. And what I'm doing is I'm pushing it forward in my mouth to my nose. So I'm pushing it forward in the mouth. I'm using my diaphragm to punch notes. Okay. All right. And from that, I speed that up. So as you're practicing this and trying to get better at a laugh, all right, you can just start on one singular, because I kind of feel like laughing is almost in this manner. It's almost kind of like singing notes in a weird way, right? Because if you'll notice, what makes a laugh interesting or fun to listen to, I think, is an evil laugh, is again, that fast staccato punches of notes, right? Like that kind of thing, like you like the right, and then the pitch variation. So I went. You notice that? So I went up and down and back up again. All right, if we start up and go, and what I always love to do is to change the speed variation of it, so that when you go to the end, you hold out the last note. So, right? So you kind of hold that out, and it just gives a nice ending to the idea of a laugh. All right? Okay, unless they want you to just keep laughing and they fade out. But most of the time, that ending is drawn out. All right? Now, you can do low, like, right? And you can slow it down, go lower. You can go higher. All right? Again, it's just this idea of hitting that staccato, hitting those punches at pitch variations, and speeding up and slowing down those punches of notes, and then at that last part, draw it out. All right, I hope this has been helpful, and for you to give it a shot. I know yesterday I was having a fun old time about doing character voiceover. It's interesting, with so many comments in yesterday's video, which was so great, and people loved it, but yet it got very little views, which is it's so interesting to me, because there was so more engagement on that video than we've had on a lot of videos. But so YouTube's algorithm is so interesting. I do think it is about how much it's clicked through, and there's other stuff there, but I want to thank you guys, because the engagement and questions and comments yesterday on yesterday's video was great. But I'm hoping that this video has shown you and have some fun with how to make a scary laugh, and it really can add such depth to a character, a scary character, all right, for a variety of reasons, okay, for low, high pitch, just to do an evil, scary laugh. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please check out that link below to A VO's Journey Elite Academy, where we go over this stuff, and you get to see me make a fool of myself all the time. And but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. You have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.